Hello, my name is Teacher Florabel, and I'm from the Philippines. I graduated with a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, and I am also a TEFL certified. I have a year of experience as an ESL teacher where I taught my students of different ages and levels. In my classes, I handled lessons in grammar, free talk, reading, and quizzes, adapting my teaching methods to meet each learner's needs. My strengths are communication, adaptability, and creating fun and engaging activities that help students build confidence in speaking English. I am patient, I am passionate, and a dedicated teacher who is eager to grow and continue learning while supporting learners achieve their learning goals.